Come to the biggest freshwater tournament angler event of the year, Angler's Choice Marine's Open House. Explore the largest selection of tournament-ready bass boats and specialty tackle in the country. Angler's Choice Marine, the #1 Ranger and Triton dealer, is the top choice for tournament anglers. Meet the pros in person and find out for yourself. Don't miss out on incredible discounts, up to $7,000 off of 2024 models, plus a free 5-year Gold Factory warranty with Mercury Marine. Strike now and you may qualify for interest rates as low as 5.99%. These open house events will take place at all 3 of our locations. Click here for the ACM Open House event calendar.
It is freezing out here. It's like 27 degrees this morning. But second Lake Anna Winter Series event. Water temp, a brisk 53. Hopefully we can catch him today. Let's go. Just got this new mooch minnow. We're gonna see how it does. Come on, Moochie. Come on. Got smoked on the Arey. Spot 1, no bueno. Come here, buddy. Good start. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. 2.5 pounder. 827. First fish of the day on the old Arey. Solid keeper. 2.5 pounder. I think last week it was like 17 pounds to win, so I'm gonna have to catch some big ones, but it's a start. Basically, I'm just fishing the channel edge. You can see these fish kind of stacked up. Oh no, he just popped off. Dang it, that was a good one too. How did you pop off? Must have barely had him hooked. Dang it, dang it. Oh, felt like a big one. Missed 2 fish right there, 2 good ones. That's not how you want to start. That is so weird. What is happening? little bit bigger than the last one. Same deal. Really wish I didn't miss those other two, but got all day to make up for it. Number 3. Catching them?
I see you found them.
Got a couple on the A-rig. I've been bit a couple times throwing a minnow, but
I caught them good in here Friday. You fishing tournament?
yes, sir.
I just come over just for fun.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, for sure. Spotted. Smallest one of the bunch, 2 1/4. Come on, number 5.
They all slid out that way. Number 5. God, he ate that thing. It's the mooch minnow. Little 3.5-inch bait. We started to just follow the A-rig. 9:06, we got the limit. 2:35. Okay, so we gotta get rid of number 4 first. biggest one of the day. Man, they're biting. It's almost 4-pounder. Got 14.5 pounds. Goodbye, first call of the day. Little one, not gonna help. Got him. Nice. Did you pick up the rig?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, they'll follow that man, but won't get it.
Gotta fizz a few of these quick. Alright, it is currently 10:59. Got 14.5 pounds on a good A-rig bite. I moved off of that big school that I was catching them in back there. I'm starting to just move around, look for some bigger fish. That school definitely had a lot of fish in it, but at this point I need a couple 3.5, 4-pounders, and I'm not sure if I can catch another one out of there. Gotta throw the glide around a bit this afternoon, flip a jig a little bit. I keep throwing the A-rig until they stop biting it. Jig bite. God, these things get them so freaking good. He's not. No, he's not gonna help. Has to be 235. That was like a barely 2-pounder. Might not even have been 2 pounds, honestly. But it's a good sign for the jig. $12.52. Back at the starting spot. Just want to hit a couple of these brush piles. And we're gonna start jumping around quite a bit, hunting for the big one. I do like this sign of birds. Hoping we just catch like a 6-pounder here soon. I always get them to chase my baits. Just one of those things where you got to be there at the right time. Oh no! Oh my god, I was just reeling it back in. 1 o'clock. 2 hours left. Are you gonna be big enough? Gotta be 235. I have a feeling he's gonna be right at 2. Maybe like 210. Oh, so close. What did I say? 210? Chill out. Okay. 212. Goodbye. What's up, Tiny? Thanks for the bite. Oh god, before it even got down there. This is a bass or a striper. It's kind of fighting like a striper or a cat. It's a bass! Oh my god, it's a bass and a striper! I feel like this A-rig is going to be toast.
Don't think I've ever caught a bass and a striper in the same cast. That was pretty sick.
Time to go.
So we finished up with 1466 for this week. Improvement over last, which is good because we had 12 something and ended up in 9th, and this week 14, a little over 14 and a half, and ended up in 7th. Fished a lot of the same stuff, fished a lot of the same baits. I was able to stay on those fish from the week prior and basically targeting fish in 15 to 20 feet. I did catch a couple that were shallower, and towards the end of the day when I was looking for that bigger fish, I was definitely fishing a lot more shallow water, just looking for one that was up feeding. Threw a glide a bunch, threw a jig a bunch, but just didn't have much action. Looking back, I probably would have done better if I just stayed in that area and fishing that channel edge and secondary point, but that dude that moved in to fish that area with me, it just kind of threw me off. I don't know. I didn't fish there much longer after he kind of set himself up. I don't own the lake, so I didn't say anything. I didn't really care. I talked to him a bit. I told him to throw an A-rig, but that was strange. Let me know what you guys think about that down below. Like, you saw him come in. He was a couple 100 yards away and literally just like comes and sets up next to me. I've never had that happen to me before. First place in this tournament went to the Lake Anna Hammer, Mr. Bill Deeds. He came in with like 22 pounds, absolutely smoked him. And if you guys have been watching this channel for a while, Bill Deeds is actually the first person that I ever fished the cold side of Lake Anna with, and this was like 6 years ago. Great dude, absolute hammer, and it was awesome to see him come and win one. So it was a fun event, and the next one I did pretty darn well in. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that video. Make sure you check the links down in the description below. Angler's Choice is having their open house coming in January and early February, so you're going to be able to meet a ton of pros. You can check out all the boats that they have in stock and their awesome tackle shop. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please click that subscribe button for me. See you on the next one.